it's all over the place, and it's Love Foods Creepy Part 2. And how? Oh, and I also got some sticky tack as well. Sticky. So let's just get on with it. Well, I think I should just go on my computer. They've been hunting around by stealing a purse. Is that the purse? I gotta look this up. It's only showing Pinkie Pie's channel. I think I typed something wrong. Let me try again. Oh, it's still showing Pinkie Pie's channel. What the heck? Ow. Ow. I'm showing this guy. Ow. Ow. I'm just gonna close this and go tell my mom. I think I'm being haunted. I gotta go tell my mom. Mom, I think I'm being haunted. No, it's probably just a scary movie. Wait, what are you doing? Wait, what are you doing? Stay in the room. I'll tell you. Now, pause it. You're not watching no more scary movies. I'm not watching scary movies. I'm actually being haunted. No, you're not. Go back up to your room. Ugh! Finally, peace and quiet. Ugh! My mom's so rude all the time. Ugh! What should I do? 1 is to go to bed and be scared all night. 2 is to be haunted. I think I'll go get a snack. This is so delicious. I think I'll save the rest for tomorrow. I think I'll just go to bed now. Gotta go put my daughter to sleep. Oh, she already is asleep. But I'll just take the food. Ew, what the heck? Ew, put this back. What happened? I'm just gonna go take it down. Well, I'm just gonna go to bed since she's in bed.
Okay, go.
Ooh.